Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to my very first video. What we're going to be doing today is unboxing this Ender 3 Pro. Now, a lot of people have come straight from Micro Center and have taken advantage of their extreme discounts and ease of access to bring in 3D printers to their homes.
For this video, we're going to go ahead and unbox this, and I'm going to explain a couple of the different pieces. By the end of this video, you should have a basic understanding of a couple of things, and in my next videos, we'll assemble it until it works.
While I'm opening this up, I'm going to take a little bit of time to explain some of the different things that you see in your box. Now, as you go through everything in your box, I recommend that you take a minute to become familiar with it, so that way while you're setting it up and printing, you know exactly what it is that you're working with, and know that if something goes wrong with it, you're able to detect where the issue is and help yourself solve that problem a little bit more easily. This first piece that we take out is called the extruder assembly. What this does is it takes the filament that you provide for it and sends it to the hot end for the 3D printer to print. Now the next thing we're taking out of the box is the display screen. When it's all set up, this is how you will interact with your 3D printer in order to change settings or start prints. The firmware on this display can be changed and upgraded to allow for more features and more options to be uploaded in the future. The last part we took out was called the gantry. Also included in that package was the top part of the frame. Now we're taking out the base of the printer. This has the Y-axis, the motherboard, as well as the hot end already pre-assembled on it. Next up, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take out that power supply. This is where you will plug into your power from the wall. Now the other thing about this is it has the option to switch between voltages, depending on what country you live in. Now that should be it for the first layer of everything that came in the box. This is the Z-stepper motor. This moves the gantry up and down. Next up is the filament that comes with the printer. Also coupled in there are a few extra parts for the printer that we'll need to assemble as we go along further in this. Next up, we have a few tools that will come in handy while you're 3D printing, as well as during the setup process of this printer. This is a wheel assembly that will assist with keeping your Z-axis parallel. Now we've got a scraper. This will assist with getting prints off your bed, and that is also the filament spool holder. The last part of this layer of the box is the frame. Let's go ahead and see what's on the last layer of this box. Oh, that is it. Thanks for watching along as we unbox the Ender 3 Pro. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the entire printer. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to follow along as we make more and more 3D printed projects. Thanks for watching.